What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. This will be the last reading for tonight, and then hopefully I can wake up in the morning on time and tap in before I go to work. So let's see. What's coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours for y'all? Yeah, what's coming in for Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? We have popped the question. All right, so somebody could be proposing something to you. We got coke. This person could be a drinker. Okay, or somebody could propose something to you while they're drinking. Somebody could be going through something, though. Like, somebody could be, like, numbing out type of energy. Like, somebody feels like they need to go numb. But I see somebody wanting to come towards you and propose something. Now, this could be, like, a proposal. But this could just be some sort of proposal. Like, hey, why don't we go out on a date? You know, type of thing. But somebody could be coping. Somebody could drink or numb out with substances. All right, what's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours, Spirit? What's coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? What's coming in for Scorpios in the next 20... Ooh, come here, card. Bumping heads. You can get into it with somebody. Police station. Be careful. The police could get called. The police could get called because we got police station. So be careful of arguing with somebody because it could go south or it could go left real quick. Okay. All right. What else is coming in for Scorpios? What else is coming in for Scorpios? Cards keep dropping. We have family. Okay. Some of y'all could get into it with family. Okay. Workplace affair. There could also be some drama or something like that due to some sort of workplace affair. Some of y'all could be finding out that somebody's having an affair in a family dynamic. This could be your family dynamic. This could be somebody else's family dynamic. Now, some of y'all, you could be bumping heads with a family member here. Okay, what else is coming towards Scorpio? What else is coming towards Scorpios, please? We got happily single, doing you, dating, stress-free, setting goals, career focus. All right, some of y'all are going to be happily single, or you are happily single. Y'all could just be focused on yourself. You could be karmically tied to somebody, though. It could be family, because family's beside it. But I see you just focusing on you. You could be in the single land. Some of y'all could be having like girls' night or something like that, or boys' night out. A lot of y'all are stress-free. Y'all not really... You could also be catching a break from family. Like, say you're a single mom, single dad. Some of y'all could be catching a break. We have... you could be also setting goals. You could be very career-focused, career-driven. All right, so some of y'all could be doing something for work or finances or something like that as well. What else is coming in for Scorpio in the next 20? Some of y'all are separating yourselves from a family dynamic. What else is coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? What else is coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours, please? We have reckless love or sex. Some of y'all could be getting busy with somebody. Okay, y'all could be having reckless, schmegs. Okay, be careful because it could turn into a child. We got love child here. So be careful because some of y'all could end up pregnant in the next 24 to 48 hours as well. All right, smexing with somebody, All right. Now I'm hearing horses in the stable. I know you like to ride it, ride it, ride it. And that person on top, so I don't know. So I don't know, Scorpio. I don't know. Take that hat fits. All right. What's coming in for Scorpio the next 24 to 48 hours? What's coming in for Scorpio? A couple fell out. So we have closing the cycle. So some of y'all could be wrapping up a cycle. Some of y'all could be eating apples, or some of the apples could be significant. We have my way, selfish, stubborn, arrogant, proud, and egotistical. I do see y'all closing out some sort of cycle or closing out a chapter with a person that's just real selfish, okay? They're very stubborn. They're not willing to change. A very egotistical, arrogant energy. Now, if this ain't somebody else, this could be y'all. Y'all could be closing out this cycle where you're like self-absorbed, stubborn, prideful, egotistical type of energy. That's just how you are, or something like that. We also have turning your back. Yeah, I feel like this is another person. Y'all could be turning your back on somebody like this. You're giving them your ass to kiss, basically. We got rejected. Yeah. You could be turning your back on somebody and rejecting them. We have heartbreak. This could break somebody's heart, though. Okay, you could be stopping somebody at the door or stopping somebody from coming near you or coming towards you as well. Somebody could wear a white t-shirt, or a white t-shirt could be significant tomorrow. Somebody could also wear like a white dress. Somebody, something about sunglasses could be significant. Shades or sunglasses. Yeah. Some of y'all, when somebody offers you this, proposes this to you, or brings you some sort of proposal, I feel like that's going to wrap up a cycle for somebody. And the reason why y'all could be arguing, because you could be dealing with somebody that's very arrogant and egotistical. They could be very selfish, very prideful person. And y'all could also be turning your back on family. If this is a family member, I see you turning your back on them. And I also see you rejecting somebody because you want to be single. Give me another. What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? I'm trying to read it always possible. Next 24 to 48 hours for Scorpio, what's coming in? Next 24 to 48 hours, what's coming in for Scorpio? We have fed up, and we got shady. Bottom of the deck, we got faith, healing, meditation, and praying. So yeah, some of y'all could be like focusing on healing. Some of y'all sick of somebody's shady shenanigans. You could be fed up with somebody. Like, especially if somebody wants you to be like reckless when it comes to your love and your sex. It's like you're getting fed up with this person. You feel like this person's hiding something. You feel like they're hiding behind a mask. Yeah. Somebody could wear like a see-through shirt or something. Some of y'all use sticky notes, or you could work in like an office setting. But you, some of y'all are fed up with somebody, or you're going to be fed up with somebody, because it's like all they want is reckless. They want to be reckless with you, or they want to treat you very reckless. Like they just want to come around when they want love and sex or something like that. Or that's just how they are. They're just very reckless with your love, the love that you have to give. And somebody could be reckless with their body. Let's see. What else is coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? Okay. What else is coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? I hate this chair. I'm so ready to get a new chair. Makes my back hurt. What else is coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? What else is coming in for Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? What else is coming in for Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours, Spirit? All right. A couple of cards popped out. Let's start with the first one. First one is heartbreak. Somebody could feel heartbroken. It says sometimes the worst breakups are the ones that never get full closure. What hurts most isn't the ending, it's the fact that it ever felt so right. Some of y'all could be going through a breakup, or somebody's dealing with a breakup in the next 24 to 48 hours. Somebody could be separating themselves, distancing themselves in some sort of way. Put this over here. Yeah, somebody's dealing with heartbreak or something. We have throwing shade, and it could, okay, it could be because somebody's throwing shade. It says shade doesn't always look like aggression. It hides in backhanded praise, tone, and just joking energy. Like somebody could try to act like they just joking about something, but somebody's heart is actually broken. Like somebody could be trying to be funny or throwing shade, or like say somebody trying to like throw shade at you or something like that. It could actually hurt your feelings for you, or whatever this person's really saying. You know what I'm saying? Or doing to you. It's like, why would you do that to me? Like, why would you want to hurt my feelings like that? But somebody trying to make it seem like they trying to laugh it off like it's cool when it's not. We got fake profile. There could also be somebody watching somebody from a fake profile. It's not just a filter, it's a full-on facade. The person being presented doesn't match the reality behind the screen. Somebody could be a fraud or a fake or a phony. There could also be somebody from a fake profile talking trash. Yeah. Some of y'all, if you've been, excuse me, some of y'all, if y'all been dealing with like spam or something like that, it's somebody you know that's behind this fake profile throwing shade at you. They could be like posting stuff, saying stuff like that. We have lies detected. A version of the truth was offered, but it's curated, calculated, and conveniently incomplete. Somebody could be lying about something too. Or somebody lying that they're the ones behind the fake profiles, okay, trying to hurt you or throwing shade at you or something like that. What's coming in for Scorpio? Next 24 to 48 hours. What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? All right. What's coming in for my Scorpios in the next 24 to 48 hours? What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? We have party scene. The vibe is social, the setting is electric, and everyone's playing a role. Some are here to connect, some just want the spotlight. So there could be somebody that likes the attention or likes attention. Okay. Somebody could really like attention. There's like the energy, yeah, clean slate. Somebody could be going to, like, somebody could be a DJ or going to a party. This is a full reset is now in play. Past decisions, outdated dynamics, and former versions of self are no longer calling the shots. So somebody here could be getting out, meeting people. Somebody could actually be like trying to connect with other people. And another person, other people, they not trying to connect. They just like the way it shows up, or they like to be seen. Like, I just like to be seen with you, or I just like to be seen around you. Y'all ever see them people that be DJing and stuff like that? And then it'd be like people surrounding them, right? And like some people are up there because they vibing with the DJ for real, but others up there because they just want to be seen. It's like that. It's like that. I feel like somebody here wants to just be seen with you, or around you, or partying with you, or something like that. And there's other people that actually want to be around you because they like being around you. Like, it's genuine. Tell me what's coming in for Scorpio. What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours, please, Spirit? What's coming in for Scorpio? Ooh. Some of y'all can be sobering up. We have sober life with no distractions or substances to blur the view. What's real is finally visible. From here, better choices are possible. Some of y'all are going to be sobering up in the next 24 to 48 hours. And I'm not saying that you're under the influence or anything like that. Look, but somebody could be. We got numbing out. It says, they say they've got it under control, but the pattern is starting to show. When life gets heavy, their escape route is always chemical. Somebody definitely could be under the influence, but maybe you're the one that's sobering up. Like, maybe you're living a more sober life and you're freeing yourself from certain people, certain situations. You're choosing not to be distracted or distract yourself from certain things anymore. And this is, I feel like you and another person are going two separate ways. You and another person are going two separate ways, is how I feel. Yeah. I feel like you and another person are going two separate ways. 1 second. Okay. So, yeah. I see y'all not being distracted anymore. Like, at one point in time, if you were like going out and letting things get you off course, or letting things like blur your vision in some sort of way, I don't see you doing that in the next 24 to 48 hours, Scorpio. See y'all being more focused, like maybe, and if this ain't you, this could be somebody else. Like, somebody could normally like numb out, drink, party, and stuff like that, but they could be saying to themselves, like, you know what, no, I'm going sober. I don't want to drink anymore. I don't want to be that type of person anymore, or something like that. Like, somebody could be really setting themselves free. Okay. All right, give me one more. What's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours? Tell me what's coming in for Scorpio in the next 24 to 48 hours. We have, oh yeah, doing the work. There it is. See, growth is happening behind the scenes, healing patterns, owning truth, and unlearning survivor mode. Some of y'all could have been in survivor mode, or you were dealing with somebody like that. But I feel like you're doing the work. You're breaking the habit. Now I'm hearing, I'm breaking the habit tonight. Okay. Don't know what hold on. I don't know what we're fighting for, or why I have to scream, or something like that. Don't know what it is to get and say what I don't mean. Don't know how I got this way. I know it's gonna be all right. Hold on. It's Linkin Park. Hold on. I'm breaking the habit tonight. Linkin Park. Let me not butcher, child, because I butcher the lyrics. Yes, I was a Linkin Park fan too, by the way, y'all. Absolutely. I used to love me some Linkin Park. I don't know what's worth fighting for or why I have to scream. I don't know why I instigate and say what I don't mean. I don't know how I got this way. I know it's not a right. So I'm breaking the habit. I'm breaking the habit tonight. So I don't know. Maybe you were used to like yelling, screaming, fighting with somebody and stuff like that. But you realize like, no, this ain't right. This ain't what I'm supposed to be doing. There's consequences to this type of thing. It says no more running. The karma is catching up and someone's being held accountable. You could be choosing to do the work, and this could be causing somebody to be trapped, or this could be causing karma for a person. You could be somebody's karma. Yeah, breaking free. Or this is you paying the karma for something. But I feel like, Scorpio, you're the one that's like sobering up. You're getting back to life, back to reality, back to, like, you're getting back to yourself. It says cycles don't break themselves, but all it takes is one bold move to change the world trajectory. So I feel like you're breaking free. Something about a butterfly could be significant in the next 48 hours as well. It's like you're doing the work. You're choosing to do the work because you know if you don't, then the consequences are what you're already in. Like, it's, you see what I'm saying? Like, if I don't stop partying, drinking, doing this, doing that, then I'm just going to keep leading to heartbreak. If I don't choose to heal from this person and this toxic energy, then I'm just going to keep being heartbroken. It's something like that. Like, you're choosing, if you've been, I just heard you running from something. If you've been running from doing the work, I don't see you running anymore, Scorpio. I see you actually doing the work. Like, something about a jar could be significant. Look at that. That's the title card to this day. Clean slate. Yeah, some of y'all are about to get a clean slate. Oh my God, clean slate. A full reset is now in play. Past decisions, outdated dynamics, and former versions of self are no longer calling the shots. I feel like you're about to give yourself a clean slate, Scorpio, in the next 24 to 40, like a reboot, a start over. You're about to start completely over with something. Yeah, damn. This is crazy, Scorpio. I mean, it's a very powerful message, though. It's like you're not running anymore. You're doing the work. You're facing your fears. You're taking care of what needs to be taken care of now. Snow, come on. Time to get in bed. But I like it, Scorpio. I'm going to leave this one here, okay? This one will probably be uploaded in the morning. So if it is, happy Friday, y'all. I hope y'all have an amazing day. And, of course, I will be back with more tarot readings for you later. And later in the day. And I hope y'all have an amazing day. Hope y'all have an amazing start to your weekend. Happy Friday. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.